In today's video, we're answering the popular question, can I rush my badge order? Let's dive right in and talk about it. At Smith & Warren, the answer is yes. In addition to industry-leading turnaround on regular orders, we also offer 3 premium rush service options. Under our rush program, we offer 5, 10, and 15 business day manufacturing service. Day 1 is the day after you submit your order, and the service is guaranteed. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. The cost of rush service varies by the speed of service selected and the finish of your badge. The shorter the manufacturing time requested, the higher the cost. There's also a difference in cost between standard finishes like nickel, rhodium, and gold plate, and premium finishes like Silray, Goldray, and two-tone. If you're considering a rush order, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Before contacting us though, you should be prepared with the following information. 1, the model number of your badge and the center seal you plan to use. 2, the finish of your badge. 3, the quantity of badges you need. And 4, and most importantly, the date you need it in hand. Our team will then help you select the appropriate service, provide a quote, and will guide you through the entire ordering process. Our rush service is very popular, and you should not hesitate to contact us if it is something you think you may need.